This is BM800, the cheapest condenser microphone you can buy on internet, but this requires phantom power supply, and the phantom power supply costs twice the price of this microphone. I know you can buy the sound card to get over it, but it doesn't give the full quality of this microphone. So the thing is that the normal 3.5 jack output like 2 volts, and this microphone require like 48 volts to work properly to its best. And if you buy a USB sound card, it will give 5 volts. So let's talk about that method. Hey guys, I'm Prem, Solanki, the Internet guy. Let's get started. So open your microphone and you will find 3 wires here. One is minus, one is signal, and one is plus. So black is minus, red is plus, and that's all you need to know for now. And you need to get this 9 volts battery, and if you buy your Duracell one, it will be much better because it will give much cleaner audio and you can record for much longer time. Now you need to solder 2 wires inside the microphone, on the black, on the red. Now you need to connect those 2 wires to the positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal of the battery. Black to the negative and red to the positive, and that's it. Just try it. It will not cost you a lot of money and it will give very good result. And if you don't have a soldering skill, you can just go to a nearby electronic shop and they will just charge you 10 rupees per shoulder, so it will be like 20 rupees, and they will shoulder a wire for you. If you guys like this kind of video, please like, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram ESP996. Until then, see ya, bye.